Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading Monday updates. It's been a very volatile, crazy, wide range market. If you trade futures like I do, yesterday was hella crazy, man. We went to 29, 20-ish, and then came all the way back in the overnight session, and this morning just straight up going up trend. And now we are above the previous Friday previous Friday high, and now we're testing the previous support, which is around 3100, 3110. We are 20 points away from it. So what is going on the hourly? We have a nice V-shaped recovery from the previous Friday high, and now we are going to go to around this 3100 level area. Are we bullish? Again, this market is very volatile, but based on Fed reserves, their points today, they're going to stop buying corporate bond. That is a bullish tone in my opinion, and bears had a good 2 days. Now time for bulls to bite us back up. Are we looking for a V-shape? Probably not. We're going to see another higher low somewhere here, and then to set a consolidation. So what I mean by that is I'm going to just to show you guys. So this is what we have on the ES 500. So I'm going to draw something so you guys can know what I mean by it. We're going to form somewhere here. Let me make this different color. So we're going to have somewhere here form a higher low compared to the previous low right here, and then chop around, and it can either go down forming a head and shoulder, or we just go back up to test the previous high. It depends on Wednesday and how strong we close tomorrow, but by the look of it, I think tomorrow we have a gap up, no problem. And I am trading a lot of Google calls, a lot of JPM calls. Google are my big one tomorrow. I'm down not too much, but I have around 15 contracts, and I do think Google is going to have a nice gap filled around the 1450, this area right here. So they can like 1450, 1460, this area. And then after hours doing quite well, I think. It's at 1430. So up about 10 points from closing. Do I have next play? We need to see the clear direction on the market just yet. Is this a shorter rip? No. That's already over on Friday. So we need to confirm ES above 3100, or is it SPY above 310, and 310 to 312 is the key. If we don't pass that reject, then I'm pretty sure we can test 306, break that 303, and very high chance to go to 295 if that happens, if we break this. But as for now, focus on this one first. And I hope you guys made money on Lulu. I know I did, about not too much, $400 to $500. Sold a little bit early because Friday we did have a gap down on Lululemon, and then in the morning sometimes you have to realize the first 15 minutes you can't really tell the direction because the volume are still pretty low. So you just wait for a little bit, and then it went down pretty significantly to 288. It was still a good gap down, made money out of it, and I'm out of that trade. I know people still have Home Depot puts. Those were back in profit on Thursday, and definitely profit end of day on Thursday and beginning of Friday. Now I think Home Depot is going to reverse back up. I'm not in the position anymore. I sold it at a small profit. Everything's good with it. For Tesla, huge bull bottom today. Tomorrow, I mean, in my opinion, I think this is going to go test the previous 1027 high, and then if we break that, my target still remain the same, 1,100 on Tesla. Would you get a weekly call? Probably yes, because it is still cheap. I was looking at this morning around $225 on Tesla, 1,100 call. That thing ran to $6. I mean $600. If tomorrow dips, I might be looking for a re-entry on Tesla. Tesla PT is still the same, 1027, and $1,100. Alright, good luck guys. See you guys in the next video.